Hey guys, this is Tony with DecoNetwork, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an email template for your customers that's going to be specific for local pickup or collection or drop-off methods, something like that. Um, Sometimes we hear that you want to change the verbiage for terms because if you're using a local pickup method or something like that, your customers are going to get an email that says your item's been shipped. And of course, that can be confusing. So what I want to do is show you how to uh, create a new email template that can be just for your local pickup shipping methods. Um, so we're going to assume that you have a custom shipping or a local shipping method already, but if you don't, you want to go in here to shipping methods and create a new custom shipping method. You can do that in here. Just name it, call it local pickup. You can um, set a price if you're going to set a price. I have mine as free. Set a shipping location if need be. Just make sure you save it. I already have one created here. And if you're on our standard plan, you're going to need access to the email and order templates. You can add that on through the App Store. If you're on the premium or above, you already have access to your email and order templates. So what we can do is go in here to email templates. And I'm going to create a new shipped email. And then we're going to go to customize template. Now, this might be intimidating to most people if you're not familiar with web development or custom coding or anything like that. But this is really easy if we just change the a few of the words here. That's really all we have to do. So you don't have to worry about understanding what all this is. So just if you just follow along with me, it's really rather simple, and you're not going to mess anything up here. So all we have to do is find the black plain text that relates to shipped, and we're just going to change the wording here. So I'm just going to change this and say your order is now, and we'll just say ready for pickup. And then we can come in here and say the following items. I will say something like this, where I'll say have been produced and are ready to pick up. And then I'm just going to go down the list here and look for other uh, words or terms that relate to uh, shipping. Okay. And what I'm going to do here is I want to delete a part of this code that will take out the tracking code if there is one. So just to be safe, we're going to take this out. So what I'll do, if you're on the default template, it's going to look just like mine, like this. So what we're going to do here, we'll go in here and just delete this code right here, starting at the for shipment and shipments right here. We're going to go all the way down to this end 4 right here. And all you have to do is go in here and we will just delete or cut that out of here. And then I want to do the same for this please allow number of shipping days for delivery. I'm just going to cut this out of here too. So we'll just say this H3 to H3, we'll just delete this whole line right here. Okay. And then we'll leave that in there. Now we have an HTML body and we also have a text body. Some of your customers might have HTML turned off and they'll get text only. So we want to do the same thing here. So we'll just say the following items have been, I'll just use the same term, produced and are ready for pickup. Okay. And then we also want to delete these tracking codes and delivery terms. So let me delete this first. We'll say please allow so-and-so for delivery. We'll get that out of there. And then I'll also delete this, we'll delete this from this for shipment in shipments all the way to this end for right here. I'm going to cut that out of there. Okay, and that's it. That's really all you have to do. In there, and then we can change the usage. Now this is the important part. We're going to change it and we're going to assign it only to be available to your local pickup method. So when your customers use this option, they're going to get this template saying that it's ready for pickup, and they don't have the wording for the order being shipped. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps, and take care.